Good day there, everybody. It's Gary from the ECA here. Hope you're keeping safe and well. I've just seen a press release from the good people at the IET and BSI confirming the publication of Amendment 2 to the 18th edition. The press release states that Amendment 2 comes into immediate effect on the 28th of March 2022, with the previous version being withdrawn 6 months later. They also stipulate some of the key changes, and these are things such as arc fault detection devices in some AC final circuits for installations in certain types of buildings, such as higher risk residential buildings. A new requirement on fire safety and documentation where certain external influences exist, such as where you've got a protected escape route. Some new information and some new methods about the requirements for overvoltage or surge protection. Changes to identification, labels and notices for consumer units, and a brand new chapter, a new part 8 for prosumers low voltage electrical installations. So quite a lot. The new book, as I say, should be coming out on the 28th of March, and as ever, ECA will do our best to keep you guys informed.